Hello everybody, Dadas here with the Dadas Trading System Workshop and the next episode of Trade with Dadas series. Okay, so it's 1400 hours here in Poland. The morning trading session is over for me. Now there's a break, so time to sum up what happened during the morning hours. Or my trading hours. So what I did, I took 2 trades on the DAX index. Yep. So the first trade was right here. It gave me 10 pips. Now I realized the fact that the market had already been moving, because as you can see, the best entry price was somewhere in this area. Then again, maybe somewhere right here, yeah. But okay, so I still this was measured. I knew that somewhere around this level there is an important pivot level, right? Pivotal level. So let's go to M15. I'll show you. You see, let me make this a bit bigger. Just one more big one. Okay, so the pivotal level is right there, yeah. So basically this line right here, yeah, is the potential swing line, right? So that's about how much room I had for this trade. So you see, I entered there, and the price started doing this bouncing off right there. So that's where I closed the trade, right? Let's look at it. Have a look at it again from the perspective of the M1 chart. Right here, right? Yeah. So yeah. So the stop loss was in a correct position somewhere over there. So the risk, theoretically, the risk to reward was good enough. Well, about 1-to-1. That's what happened actually. Maybe I expected a little bit more, but on this price action right there, and what happened on the next candle, I decided to get out. Especially that a moment earlier I also had a trade on Dow Jones that I'll show you in a moment, and it was practically it was very similar to this one, and a very similar price action was going on. So I preferred to stay on the safe side. So also, as you can see, I made a practically break-even trade right here. This is 1.47 pips. So it's practically a break-even trade, just a little bit of profit. This trade was made upon this price action right here. So I already saw that the price was respecting this level. So I was waiting for So I was waiting then for this price action at this area. So the best entry level was right there, right? The best entry level was around there. Now potentially, potentially this pullback or retrace or correction can even go up there. I mean, yeah, there's a high probability that it's going to go back up there, or maybe even higher. However, as you can see, the market didn't follow up, right? It broke out, and I managed to get a trade right there. And you see, I put my take profit right there. So the price didn't reach the take profit, and then it came back. It started coming back, and about 10 minutes before 1400 hours, I simply moved the stop loss to break even plus, and that's it, because I knew that my break was coming, and the price wasn't actually giving me any momentum, right? So let's see the M1 again. Come on. Okay, and we're on the M1 again. and the trade was right there. You see, the trade was right there. So basically, I got in on the bounce back, right? On the bounce back, and the price started going up. And okay, so I counted on more than I got. I got whatever I got, and that's good enough. Yes, everything is okay. Now, as far as Dow Jones, it was pretty similar. I just made one trade right there, counting on the price to go down, and I got also 10 pips. So all in all, let's look at the M1. Let's see if we can find it. Let's do this. Okay, let's find the trade. The trade is somewhere over here. Yep. So you see, I just followed this rhythmic price action right there, and but then it sort of lost its rhythm. Yeah, you see, it's lost its rhythm a little bit. So again, it went down here. So and you see, went down and it bounced back. So again, I wanted to be on the safe side, especially that was sort of going over the fast red line over here. So already something was fishy. So I simply closed the position. I got about 21 pips, maybe a little bit, maybe 22 altogether. Like I said, not a big thing, but it's okay. Yeah. So that's it for today's morning session. Now a break, and then we'll see what happens in the evening session. Maybe we'll get a trade, or maybe not. Okay. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to visit me on patreon.com or on LinkedIn, or find me on Facebook, Dadas Lifestyle Coaching, Dadas Lifestyle Coaching. You can find me on Forex Factory, and contact me on Skype. Join my Skype group, please. You're welcome to join my Skype group. I have one commercial Skype group, one non-commercial Skype group. So the Skype group for the commercial Skype group is only for those who have purchased my time and have my system. Now, for those who don't have my time, didn't get my coaching yet, but still are interested, you are still welcome to join my other non-commercial group on Skype. And what else? Okay, and you find me on Forex Factory, find me on social media, and see you in the next episode.